Top ChatGPT prompts that will make you more productive than a team of 20 employees. AI isn't just artificial, it's authentically driving a productivity revolution. With ChatGPT, efficiency becomes second nature and productivity becomes a way of life. If you're not using ChatGPT, you are falling behind. ChatGPT and other AI tools have the potential to make you super productive and effective at whatever you do. I found that combining multiple productivity and AI tools can be a game changer, especially when working with ChatGPT. For a fraction of the cost of ChatGPT's Pro subscription, I use tools like Quillbot, thesuka.co, and Notion AI to boost my productivity. Strong prompting skills will always be an asset, even while working with other generative AI tools. Use these ChatGPT prompts to get the best out of ChatGPT and transform your life. To add more value, and as a USP of my blog, at the end of this blog post, I have designed and deployed the ChatGPT cheat sheet / carousel of the prompts discussed here for you to use, download and share. Also, I'll share this month's bonus tip, or best productivity tools that are cheap, effective, and a game changer, which I personally use, prefer, and insist you all try. So do check them out and use them. MYMAP-AI. Bonus tip 1. MyMap helps convert your notes into structured essays and beautiful mind maps. Reduce your writing stress and focus on refining your ideas. It can create a visual presentation for any idea or prompt. I absolutely love this app and use it for lots of mind mapping, creating flowcharts, and other presentations for my work. Just enter a prompt and you get a beautiful chart of your choice and a full presentation. It makes me and my team understand everything faster, more efficient, and save me a ton of time. Quillbot. Bonus tip 1. One great AI productivity writing tool I recently started using for day-to-day writing and tasks such as plagiarism checker, grammar checker, Quillbot Flow, Quillbot AI content detector, paraphraser, summarizer, and translator is Quillbot. I wanted to try something similar and cheaper than Grammarly. I took up its yearly premium for around $4/month. The price was literally dirt cheap compared to other writing tools I've used in the past. Personally, its UI and UX is very simple and easy to use. So I just wanted to share this awesome, productive tool with you all. Do check it out and use it in your day-to-day writing tasks. I hope you enjoyed reading this blog about some hand-picked and tested top 8 ChatGPT prompts that will make you more productive than a team of 20 employees. Try out these prompts. Save this post in your reading list and keep experimenting with the ChatGPT prompts mentioned here.